Hello guys, let's welcome back to my channel. So how are you today or tonight? Uh, I will teach you about one of the image generator is Chat Gemini. So you can also write from here just like Chat GPT. So let's dive in. A man with his wife wearing a rich clothes standing at the forest with a big monkey. So let's see if this Gemini will give you a good result. And guys, let's wait for a while and let's see the result of this AI. There are lots of AI generated and also here is it guys. Even what is real estate? Even if you ask something, it can explain. Gemini is considered as your best friend or ChatGPT the two. So those students are willing are have an assignment from their school, so you can look for the answers here in Gemini. Thank you.